First, unbox your ThinkPad Docking Station Gen 2. Inspect all ports for damage. Connect the included power adapter to the dock and plug it into a power outlet. Next, take the USB-C cable included with the dock and connect one end to the Thunderbolt 3 port on the dock and the other end to the USB-C port on your ThinkPad laptop. A green LED light on the dock indicates a successful connection. If prompted, update your computer's drivers. Connect your monitors to the docking station using HDMI or DisplayPort cables. For dual monitors, use DisplayPort for the primary display and HDMI for the secondary. Plug an Ethernet cable into the dock's Gigabit Ethernet port for a stable wired internet connection. Connect USB devices such as keyboards and mice to the dock's USB ports. Connect audio accessories to the dock's audio jack for sound input and output. Once all peripherals are connected, power on your laptop to complete the setup. If you experience issues like no display, update the dock's firmware via Lenovo's support website or reset the dock by unplugging all cables for 30 seconds and reconnecting. Ensure display settings are configured to extend desktop. Always avoid using the dock in humid environments.